Our project is titled Ahar Setu under the theme Atmanirbhar Bharat. I am Priyapada with my teammates Rehan, Monmon, Lakshita and Sachin, and our mentor is Mr. Shubham Ghosh, PGT Physics. We are here because we believe that a truly Viksit Bharat cannot exist without Swasth Bharat.
So according to past surveys, average calorie intake in India is lower than the recommended 2,500 kilocalorie per day for most of the groups. In one survey, most of the Indians, around 28%, only consume 5 recommended all the food groups. Also, more than half of the population is unable to afford a healthy diet. Almost 40% of Indians are either underweight or overweight, जिसका मतलब ये है कि उनका BMI बैलेंस नहीं है, जिसकी वजह से लाइफस्टाइल डिसीजेज जैसे कि डायबिटीज, ओबेसिटी एंड वीकनेस आर रैपिडली इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे। बहुत लोग अपने BMI के बारे में जानते ही नहीं है, इसलिए उन्हें समझ ही नहीं आता कि उनका वेट हेल्दी रेंज में है या नहीं। So now these are the problems which we have identified. Now I will like to call Sahil, who will explain how enormous this problem is.
I have tried here introducing why is it necessary and helpful for all in India culture that it is a kind of big problem for all. I have an example to evaluate that how it can happen in India. Like a guy who goes to gym on regular basis, he wants to take protein supplement like whey protein, but his parents and even grandparents did not allow him to take it. Eventually ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए because ये जनरेशन को ज़्यादा जरूरत रहती है प्रोटीन की, क्योंकि ड्यू टू हेल्थ इश्यूज। एक और बात बताता हूँ, लाइक इंडिया में मेजोरिटी इसलिए फूड कंज्यूम करते हैं कि उनकी बॉडी में अच्छी मतलब इसलिए कंज्यूम करते हैं कि व्हाट कैन सेटिस्फाई देयर नीड्स और टेस्ट बड लाइक। ऐसा इसलिए क्योंकि इंडिया में क्या माना जाता है कि ट्रेडिशन ओवर न्यूट्रिशन माना जाता है, जो कि बहुत गलत बात है। ये प्रॉब्लम बहुत मतलब लोकली बहुत बड़ी है, जिसको मतलब सबको पता होने के लिए बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है। इसलिए आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू ऑल दैट कि आपको भी पता चला ये कितनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है। लाइक लास्ट टाइम कब आपने अपनी पेट में न्यूट्रिशन फूड्स विटामिन कार्बोहाइड्रेट प्रोटीन एक बैलेंस डाइट देती थी? ऑब्वियसली नहीं देती, क्योंकि हम एवरी हाउस होल्ड में क्या कंज्यूम करते हैं, चपाती, राइस, पोटैटो, मिलेट्स एक्सेट्रा, जो कि कार्ब्स होते हैं। हमें अपनी डाइट के अंदर 1/3 रखनी चाहिए, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम वेजीज एंड सैलेड से 100% होती है। दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव अ सॉल्यूशन लाइक Ahar Setu that Lakshita will explain how it works.
So this is our solution, Ahar Setu, a simple app website powered by a custom code that provides personalized meal suggestions and BMI-based health guidance. How it works is that we take your user inputs, 1 for yes, 0 for no, and calculate some approximate meal according to your choices based on your BMI also. So on that, we classify your body as underweight or overweight and will suggest you the meal which is best for your body type, and obviously it will have the benefits as personalized guidance instead of some generic tips. Helps to fight protein deficiency, obesity, diabetes and malnutrition, and it will be the best for you as you don't have to wander here and there. We will suggest you the balanced diet according to your need and cancel out the traditional Indian diet, which is the cause of this. This is our code. How it works: first we'll go on for your choice, then after that we will be calculating your BMI according to your height and weight and give you the best diet according to that. And even we have the code for age and gender of all categories to make it the best platform for you. Right now we just have it as programmed as it is on your choice, BMI calculated, no flaws in it, and easy and user friendly. This is our code which we have put it on a website as for now, and in future we'll be working on it to make it into a application, and right now it's just a website which everybody can use.
This is Rehan telling you about the test result and how to run the program. So as you can see the display there, you can see that the program will initiate with a question that are you looking for different type of food. If you want, then you can press 1. If you don't want to continue, then you will press 0. And if you press 1, it will take you to the questions like what type of food you want to know. You want to know about fat based food, protein based food, vitamin based food, or different type of foods. Okay, if you want to know, then you will press 1. If you don't want to know, you will press 0. The sections in which you will press 1, it will show you the information. Like if you have pressed fat based food, if you have pressed 1 in fat based food, then it will show you the informations about what type of food comes under fat based food. Okay, and after this it will calculate your BMI. It will take height and weight as input, and it will show you your BMI, at which category of BMI you falls. If you are underweight, it will suggest you how you should maintain a balanced diet and what you should do. You should do a regular exercise or what. It will suggest you these type of ideas. After this it will take you to the next question, which is are you looking for a meal suggestion. If you are looking for a meal suggestion, it will take your age and gender as well as your BMI as input, and it will show you the type of food you should take to get a better diet and to make yourself fit and healthy. This was Ahar Setu. I hope you liked. Now coming to the conclusion. By aligning traditional food choice with evidence-based science, the system delivers culturally adaptable, accessible and user-friendly guidance. And we have supposed to make it in a wider level. In future, we will build an app or an AI which will interact with the user in a friendly way, so that the user feels safe and secure by sharing his information and his diet plan. I hope these small innovations of today will bring a brighter and a fitter India tomorrow. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.